Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Baumgart at Atomic Consulting, and in this video series we're talking about the essential components in launching your own broker. So we've gone over establishing the company and a bank account, having a website, setting up technology. Now the next component, which is liquidity. So don't be intimidated by the word liquidity. I know if you're new to the FX market, you're going to hear all these different words and phrases, and it can be intimidating. Pips, liquidity, spreads, rollover, swaps. Don't worry about it. All liquidity really means is the prices that you see coming into the platform. There's a little more that I'll get into in a moment, but let's just start with the prices. So we talked already about technology. Let's say, you have your branded broker and it's called XYZ Markets, which is what I used in the previous example. So you probably know this if you've ever downloaded an account. Once you log in, you want to check the rates. You want to see where euro dollar is trading, maybe where pound yen is trading, or the S&P 500, DAX, whatever it is. When you look into that software, you're going to constantly see prices updating. Or maybe you'll switch over to a chart and see all that data reflected on a chart. Well, that pricing data comes from somewhere, and the provider of it is known as a liquidity provider. Sometimes, just for short, they're called an LP. But, they're more than just a pricing provider. The liquidity provider is also going to be the execution aspect of the business. So what do I mean by execution aspect? Well, let's imagine when you had your first trading account and you opened up a trade. You press the button, buy or sell, or you click it if you're on a computer, and you receive a confirmation that the order was executed. That's the job of a liquidity provider, is basically to take all the orders from your clients, to route them to their own banks, hedge funds, whoever their providers are, and to send back the confirmation. So actually, the liquidity provider is two functions. First, it's the pricing, but you need more than just pricing. You also need the ability for your orders to be executed and to be filled properly. What you don't want to have is you press buy and nothing happens. The market could move. And especially if you're running a broker, let's say there's a news event. Let's say, Bitcoin is taking off again. You want your traders to be able to quickly enter their trades and then get out of them if they want to. So it's very important that when you're establishing your broker, that you choose the right liquidity provider. That's something that we help. In this whole video series, I've gone over all the different components. We help you every step of the way. So whether it's setting up the company, the bank, a website, technology, we also help you out with the liquidity aspect of the business. So stay tuned for the final component that we'll discuss in this series. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you'll get notifications whenever the next video comes up. Thanks again for watching.